Is it rolling?
I'm Adam, this is Christopher. We're going to make a dish that's perfect for breakfast, lunch or dinner, inspired by one of his favourite books. The book's Green Eggs and Ham, but these are pea and ham eggs. This is basically a baked eggs recipe. We're going to make a pea puree that goes into the bottom of the pan. The eggs go on top with a bit of bacon and it gets baked in the oven. So we'll start with you putting some peas and some chicken stock into a pot. I'll just put this on the stove for a couple of minutes to simmer until the peas are tender. Do you know what this is?
Ham?
Yeah, it's kind of ham. Well, it's bacon. You can use ham or you can use bacon. We're using bacon because he likes it. I'm just going to fry this until it's golden brown. So here's our peas, our bacon or ham, whichever you want. I'm just going to take some of the peas out to save for later. Just a few. When you're blending something that's hot, the expansion of the steam when you blend it can cause the lid to fly off this and spray hot liquids everywhere. So be really careful when you're doing this. Our peas and stock in there. The secret to doing it safely is to take the stopper out. I'm not going to put the lid on, I'm going to cover it with a tea towel so that the steam can escape. And we're going to blend it starting off very slow. So Christopher, hit that button there. You can see the steam kind of escaping from there. Good? Okay, try get to 10. And I'm going to put that into the same pan that we cooked the bacon in. Now the thing I like about a dish like this is that actually starting with a hot puree can help the eggs cook even faster, so you don't have to wait too long for it to cook. We just spread this out a little, make some little indentations for our eggs to go in.
You're going to put them in there.
I'm not going to, you're going to. Yeah, nice. It's good to crack them into the bowl rather than straight in here. So if you do have any mistakes, if you break a yolk, if the shell gets in there, you've at least got something to fall back on. All right, now these go into the oven for 10 minutes until the eggs are done to your liking. If you like soft yolks, maybe a little bit south of that, 9 minutes or so. If you want the yolks really firm, you can get up to 12 minutes or 13 even. Let's put these in the oven.
Okay.
Okay. What do you think?
Good.
Good. To finish this, just the bacon or ham back over the top. Our peas too. Looking good. Nice job. Yeah, all good. A crack of pepper on there too. Well done. Look good.
Good.
Pea and ham eggs. Good. You just ate the bacon.
Yeah, it's good.
For the full recipe for these pea and ham eggs, so you can make a meal to remember with your family, head to australianeggs.org.au/meal to remember.